Let's find out why 313 million people are crazy about MrBeast. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as MrBeast, is one of the most famous YouTubers in the world at just 25 years old. He owns not just one, but multiple YouTube channels, and everything he does brings in millions of dollars. MrBeast is from Greenville, North Carolina. He bravely dropped out of college to focus on his YouTube career. He once told his mom that he'd rather be poor than do any job other than YouTube. Thanks to his YouTube success, MrBeast added entrepreneur to his resume in 2020 when he launched Finger on the app, a mobile game. Participants spent hours hoping to win the grand prize of $20,000. Later that year, he ventured into the food business with the MrBeast burger chain. His restaurants are in over 1,000 locations across the US and UK. And that's not all. MrBeast's charity, Beast Philanthropy, actively supports homeless people in need. Like many successful YouTubers, MrBeast's career was built over a long time. He started his channel in 2012 with the username MrBeast6000. At that time, he didn't even have basic knowledge about starting a YouTube channel and didn't care about choosing the right audience. In the beginning, most of his content revolved around gaming. Then MrBeast started posting about other YouTubers, like estimating how much money they made. However, one video later changed his YouTube life. In 2017, MrBeast posted a video where he counted to 100,000. The seemingly meaningless video went viral, and he started to gain recognition. Today, MrBeast produces a wide variety of content, but most revolve around dangerous challenges and philanthropy. He now has a professional team supporting him in content production. MrBeast experimented with a lot of different content until he found his true calling. The reasons he became the world's most famous YouTuber might be using trending topics. Online gaming culture has probably never cooled down, and YouTube has provided a great platform to connect those passionate about it. According to Think with Google, 65% of gamers get to know their close friends through YouTube. MrBeast capitalized on this by posting a lot of content about Minecraft, Call of Duty, and other popular games. Deep understanding of how YouTube works. MrBeast spent years trying different strategies and successfully cracked the YouTube algorithm. His first viral YouTube video has over 27 million views. Realizing that the theme of a challenge lasting a long time attracted a lot of attention, to keep the momentum going, MrBeast continued to post videos with similar themes. He took advantage of a key factor that makes viewers click on his videos, putting numbers in the title, such as counting to 100,000 or saying PewDiePie 100,000 times. This effective advertising trick has been used by him for many years and has never failed. Not only that, MrBeast knows that videos related to cash are also very popular on YouTube. His last to leave cash donation challenges have garnered hundreds of millions of views. MrBeast always makes sure that the title, thumbnail, and video content are 100% accurate before going live. He wants to grab the viewer's attention from the first minutes of the introduction, let you know what's going to happen, keep you hooked, and have to watch until the end of the video. MrBeast is known for his crazy and unusual stunts. Popular videos with this theme include driving through a fast food drive-thru 1,000 times and experiencing being buried alive for 50 hours. One of the most viewed videos is a real-life recreation of Squid Game with a $456,000 prize. As of this moment, the video has reached 376 million views. Outrageous content like dangerous challenges or pranks often grab attention on YouTube. MrBeast is no exception. However, the cost of producing this content is not cheap. In a 2022 interview, he revealed that there were times when he spent $5 million to produce videos in just 1 month. He admits that he doesn't care about money, but just wants to be a dedicated YouTuber. His main goal is to create the best videos possible. Not only do MrBeast's crazy challenges attract viewers, but his philanthropic content also garners a lot of attention. MrBeast has sponsored 1,000 cataract surgeries and donated $100,000 to Seed, the organization he partnered with to perform the surgeries. Not only that, he also gave $10,000 to each patient, a Tesla to one patient, and a $50,000 scholarship to another. However, these videos have also drawn a lot of criticism. Some viewers accused MrBeast of exploiting kindness in exchange for views. He was even called a demon for filming people in need. just to make YouTube videos. Still, the controversy only made MrBeast more viewers. Some popular videos on this topic include buying a house for a homeless person, giving Christmas presents to children, launching a campaign to plant 20 million trees, giving strangers $10,000 in cash, or tipping flight attendants with gold bars. Except for videos related to online games, most of MrBeast's content is unique. Not many YouTubers are capable of making videos counting numbers or reading the dictionary continuously for a long time. Growing a YouTube channel is not an easy journey, let alone becoming the most famous YouTuber in the world, and MrBeast has done it. Vision, years of learning and experience, dangerous challenges, and charitable activities are the main ingredients in his success today. Second, MrBeast is known for his unlimited generosity. The more controversial, the more famous MrBeast becomes. It is certain that with his videos, MrBeast also has fans and anti-fans. Not only that, but some of this YouTuber's videos have also been criticized for their content. Recently, a big name on YouTube, Jacksepticeye, criticized that MrBeast is ruining YouTube. Besides, Jacksepticeye also thinks that if MrBeast really loves making videos, the length of the clips on his channel should be much longer. Immediately afterward, MrBeast responded that he did nothing wrong and that ruining YouTube was unfounded. Perhaps MrBeast has been accused of, since he started creating content, being more about money and fame than entertainment. Yes, that's MrBeast, melting everyone's hearts while racking up views. Finally, controversy, bring it on. Whether they're fans or anti-fans, everyone is talking about MrBeast. And guess what? That buzz only makes him more famous. Since his channel's achieved a certain level of success, MrBeast himself continues to spend huge sums of money to produce more videos that attract viewers. In November 2022, he gave away iPhones and bundles of cash to children for Halloween. When MrBeast hit 111 million subscribers a few weeks later, the YouTuber celebrated by buying 1,111 lottery tickets. Sharing about spending countless huge amounts of money, he shared, "Honestly, I got my first brand deal for $10,000. After receiving it, I went out and gave it to a homeless person." If we try to maintain the biggest YouTube channel in the world for the next 5 to 10 years, the opportunities are limitless, MrBeast shared from his studio, surrounded by a Lamborghini and crates of US dollars. Besides, in addition to his YouTube channel activities, MrBeast has been very successful in breaking into the food business. On December 19, 2020, Jimmy Donaldson opened 300 burger shops across the US. MrBeast Burger is a delivery-only eatery that has been supported by MrBeast fans. In just a short time, MrBeast Burger's sales reached 15 million USD. Following the success of MrBeast Burger, he continued to develop the chocolate brand Feastables, starting as a virtual restaurant that only delivered in December 2020 and quickly became the fastest-growing restaurant brand in the country. Feastables is more profitable, with an estimated gross profit margin of 40% compared to about 30% for the burger chain, but MrBeast Burger has a larger reach. In 2021, annual revenue was $70 million and is on track to reach $100 million this year. A partner of MrBeast also had to admire him. MrBeast is an extremely savvy businessman. He builds a great content strategy, and he is equally creative and successful in the experiments being done to monetize his audience. From a rocky start to becoming a famous and wealthy YouTuber is the tireless effort of this 25-year-old. YouTuber MrBeast is loved by young people for his unique and experimental videos with high-risk challenges. The male YouTuber said he will continue to try to push the boundaries by trying more adventurous experiences. MrBeast is not afraid of controversy. Before in some cases being criticized, this male YouTuber also spoke out in response. More notably, every time there is a controversy, MrBeast's name becomes more famous and known to more people. At present, the content on MrBeast's channel is quite clean and positive. This also makes the 25-year-old YouTuber less criticized than before.